Hey, welcome back. Today we're settling one of the biggest open source ERP debates, ERPNext versus Dolibarr. Both are free, both are open source, but they serve completely different businesses. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits you. Drop a like, let's go. Overview. Dolibarr is lightweight PHP-based ERP. Install it in minutes on shared hosting, switch on the modules you need, and you're running the same day. No heavy tech skills required. ERPNext is a full-scale ERP on the Python FRAP framework. It covers accounting, manufacturing, HR, multi-company, and industry verticals. More powerful, but asks more from you upfront. Features: ERPNext wins clearly. Native workflow automation, multi-warehouse with traceability, real manufacturing module with BOM and work orders, and deep multi-currency accounting. Dolibarr handles invoicing, basic CRM, and simple stock, but almost zero native automation. Setup. Dolibarr is plug and play, single-click install, non-technical users are fine. ERPNext needs bench or Docker real server setup. But once you're in, the UI is modern and role-based. Scale and performance. Dolibarr struggles under heavy users or large data. ERPNext is built to scale without breaking. Mobile, ERPNext has native iOS and Android apps with offline support. Dolibarr is browser only. Simple rule: Dolibarr equals simplicity, ERPNext equals power. Freelancers, small businesses, nonprofits who just need invoicing and basic CRM go Dolibarr. Fast, zero headaches. SMEs with 10 plus users, manufacturing, multi-warehouse, or growth plans, ERPNext is the clear winner. The setup cost pays off fast. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. I drop open source ERP breakdowns every week. Links and a free checklist are in the description. See you next time.